Yes, this keypad is not working. If I will turn it off, it is off. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, friends, welcome back to my channel. I have this Intercomp PT300 5000 weight scale control board, display board, computer board, whatsoever. It is not working while this one is functional. This one is good. It is showing load cell error, while this one is not working. Today we will see how we can fix any item without any circuit diagram using comparing the signal with good one and bad one, and we will try to locate the fault. We will not use any circuit diagram, or we will not trace the circuit. What is the exact fault location? Then we can enter in that specific circuit. I will power up this circuit. This is very useful technique when we have two circuits. One is functional, the second is fail. So we can take reference from a good one and we can fix the bad one. Positive. This pin return path. DC voltage 12 volts, 12 volt. This one not turning on. This one is on. 12 volt, 12 volt. 11.64, 11.62. I will disconnect power. First I will check power switch. Yes, this board is good. The problem in the keyboard. Now I used keyboard of this board to identify the fault. I will press power on button. That's great. That means there is no problem in the board. The problem in the keyboard. This keyboard is good. The same board I install here. Yes, this keyboard is failed. So I need to arrange the membrane keypad. I will see if I can arrange the membrane keypad from this Intercomp USA from this company. In the second situation, maybe we need to modify it. Let's re-verify it. Yes, this keypad is not working. If I will turn it off, it is off. If I will turn it on now, it is on. And it is not responding to this key. This time I turned on without membrane keypad. If I will turn it off now, yes, it is off. Now I will connect keypad. It is not responding to keypad. I need to arrange it. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.